I am here for Oxford International Lower Secondary Book 2 for the reading and comprehension of Unit 2, and the topic is frightening experience. Frightening is something terrible, something very dangerous, something that has wrecked your nerves, something terrible that has happened. Let's read and I'll give you explanation. Crossing the river. Crossing the river is basically rotate down the 9 years old writer that is Sergei Eskinov. This is the autobiography. Autobiography is something that is the personal experience of the writer. This is a autobiography of writer. It means that it's the personal experience of the writer. Personal experience, something that has happened and writer has narrated. Sergei Eskinov is telling that on the way she was going back to her village, what had happened with her. Crossing the river. In the afternoon, we reached the bank of Kama River. Opposite us was the village to which we are going to cross by ferry boat. On the bank, waiting to cross with us, were three loaded cars with their drivers. Cars with their drivers were waiting that ferryman would row the boat across the river, but there wasn't any ferryman, so three loaded cars along the villagers were waiting, and the writer is also waiting with the in charge servant, that is Ivan. On the bank, waiting to cross with us, were three loaded cars with their drivers and a group of villagers. The women were carrying baskets full of berries which they were carrying home. The ferry boat was tied to the bank, but there was no ferryman to row us across the river. But there was no ferryman. It means that while they were waiting for ferryman. After some discussion, the villagers and family servant, the ferry boat was loaded. The three cars with their drivers, my carriage with its three horses, and my family servant. The villagers and the women with their baskets were all loaded on board. The man who said he was a ferryman took his place at the steering oar. My servant Iman had the courage and the strength of 10 men, and some villagers took the oars. Although the village was directly opposite, we had to row upstream for more than a verst before turning across the river. This was to avoid the current of angry Kama River. Verst, VERST, verst is actually 1 kilometer long wave and is the Russian vocabulary that they had to go opposite of their destination because river Kama waves were very angry. Although the village was directly opposite, we had to row upstream. Row upstream means that according to the streams of the river, they had to row and they had to go opposite of their destination for more than a verst before turning across the river. This was to avoid the current. Current means waves, streams. This was to avoid the current of angry Kama River. The boat was moving slowly upstream when a black cloud suddenly appeared and covered the horizon. It was moving upstream, moving according to the angry waves of the river. The black clouds appeared. A violent summer storm was approaching. No, storm is approaching. To save time, the men rowed only a part of necessary verse upstream. Then they murmured a prayer. Murmured means dil hi dil mein by heart, and started to row straight across the river. But before we reached the middle of the river, the sky and the water grew black. The wind blew like a hurricane. The wind blew like a hurricane is a simile. It's telling that the wind is synonymous like hurricane. Hurricane is very terrible thing and very fast wind was blowing. The water grew black. Why the water grew black? The water turned black. Then it's also a matter of a totally black color. The man at the steering oar dropped his oar in panic and confessed. Confessed means admitted. Confessed that he had never been a ferryman and could not steer. The woman shrieked. Shrieked means shouted, noisily wept. Shrieked, noisily weeping, started weeping. The woman shrieked in terror. I was so frightened that I just shook with terror and could not make a sound. The current carried us down several versts to a sandbank in the river about 100 yards from the bank, where we came to halt. Ivan sprang into the chest high water. He made the quietest over horses jump off the ferryboat. He managed to put me on it and told me to hang on the horse's man. Then he led the horse by its bridle as great waves of black water rushed past. Suddenly, Van disappeared into deep water and my horse began to swim. I have never forgotten the terror which I felt at that moment. What would be your feeling that you were almost to die alone, but Ivan's strength worked and played like he was a hero? Ilvan was almost drowned in the water, and he was just what he had done. He placed the writer Sergei Eskonov on the back of the horse and took the bridle of the horse. He was almost drowned, and the horses were also swimming in the water. And because the writer was sitting on the back of the horse, she was frightened that the waves, the current of the water, would take her towards the storm. I felt as though I was drowning in the great black waves, but Ivan was a strong swimmer. He swam on to the shallow water where he could stand without letting go of the horse bridle. Then he brought us safely to the bank. I was taken off the horse almost unconscious with my hands stiff from clinging to the horseman. Means she was so much frightened that she had a strong grip on the man of the horse, and because she got unconscious or her hands were also stiffed. Soon I recovered and was very happy to find that everyone was safe.